So here are our 12 notes. Here's A. And remember, that's the same sound. That sound is sometimes called A sharp and sometimes called B flat. It's in between A and B. Here comes C. Here's C sharp, also called D flat. Same sound, two names named for the higher one and the lower one. Here comes D. D sharp, E flat, E, F, F sharp, also called G flat, G, and then G sharp, also called A flat, and then we've got another A. The list starts again with a higher A, then A sharp, B flat, and B, and C sharp, D flat, and D sharp, E flat, and E, and F sharp, G flat, and G sharp, A flat, and now here comes another A, and it just keeps going up. But this A is the same as this A, is the same as this A. There's only 12 different notes. If you go backwards, here's A, there's G sharp, A flat, G, F sharp, F, and the list goes backwards. So one lower than A is G sharp, A flat. So here's our notes as a list. And pitches getting higher and lower are given alphabetical names and are described as stepping. Each of our 12 notes is separated from the last by what is described as 1/2 step. So A to A sharp, also called B flat, is described as 1/2 step away. A to B is described as 1 whole step away, 2 half steps. A, 1/2 step away. A sharp, B flat, another half step would make a whole step from B to A. A to C is described as a step and a half. 1, 2, 3 half steps, or 1.5 steps. G is 1 whole step lower than A. 1, 2 half steps. And F sharp, G flat, 1/2 step lower than all that, a step and a half lower than A. Remember, the little number symbol means sharp or higher than. The little lowercase b symbol means flat or lower than. So that's why A sharp, B flat is called what it is. It's higher than A, lower than B. It's the note in between them. So here's some questions you should be able to answer. I'll answer them with you. What is 1 whole step up from D? When I say up, I mean to the right. 1 whole step, or 2 half steps up. There's 1 half step, there's 1 whole step. That would be the note E. 1 whole step up from B, B, half, whole, that would be C sharp, also called D flat. 2 whole steps up from D sharp, E flat, not too hard to do. 2 whole steps up, half, whole, step and a half, 2. Answer G. 1 half step from G, G, 1 half step up, G sharp, A flat. 2 whole steps down from F, half step, whole step, half step, whole step. That's 2 whole steps down, C sharp, D flat. And 2.5 steps down from G. 1 half step, 1 whole step, 1.5 steps, 2 whole steps, 2.5 steps, That would be the note.